Got another update on the 1991 RGV 250. So I've had all the stencils put on and they're looking really good. Almost looks like a brand new bike now. Just a walk around. The Suzuki sticker on the back, if you look at it from above, looks like it's smiling. You should be pretty happy if you're a Suzuki. And so you can see the different colour blues going all the way down the side of the bike. The RGV 250. Looks good with the polished swing arm and the arrow pipes. And it's taken me quite a while to get to this stage. I'm going to have to get it registered now so I can start riding it. So the installer that did the decals did a really good job. If you want his details, I'll leave them in the link at the bottom in the description. So you can either make them from you or put what you're given on. So the only things left to do now really is just the front suspension, which never got serviced. The forks could be re-chromed. And I've still got the original brake line, which I've got a braided one in the shed to fix on one day, just haven't had the time. Once I get registered, I'll try and get another video of it going for a ride. Thanks for watching.